Hello. How are you? Sorry.
Who are you filming?
Sorry, I can't hear you.
Who are you filming?
I just,
This encounter begins with a classic but critical error. An officer approaches a member of the public who is lawfully filming from a public place and immediately demands justification for that activity. Under UK law, filming CCTV cameras, buildings or police in public is not prohibited and does not by itself create reasonable suspicion. At this stage, the officer has no statutory power engaged, no stop and search, no detention, and no offence articulated. Yet the questioning starts as though permission is required. This is where encounters like this quietly cross the line. When an officer seeks to reverse the burden, asking a citizen to explain lawful conduct, it signals a misunderstanding of both Article 10 freedoms and basic policing thresholds. What matters now is whether the officer corrects course or whether this escalates into an unlawful interference.
hello. How are you? Sorry.
Who are you filming?
Sorry, I can't hear you.
Who are you filming?
I just, CCTV cameras.
Why are you doing that?
Sorry?
Why are you filming the CCTV camera?
I saw you, look.
Curiosity.
Oh, look, can you see that once?
Right, what?
Why
Are
you
they
doing that?
for indoor then?
Yeah, yeah.
Why are you doing that?
I can see them. You know, I can see them. CCTV, you know.
No, but why are you doing that?
I can do that.
What's your purpose for
Yeah, I
it?
was just
I'm a bit
wondering,
curious.
is there something that's upset you? Have you?
Here, the officer asserts that a private conversation is taking place in a public setting and attempts to control the auditor's proximity. Legally, this position is unsustainable. Conversations between police officers conducted in public spaces are not private in any legal sense and carry no expectation of privacy. More importantly, there is no power that allows an officer to exclude a member of the public from a public place absent obstruction or a specific statutory authority. This moment matters because it shows an officer asserting control without lawful footing, something courts repeatedly caution against. Policing by preference rather than power is not policing at all, and this interaction is beginning to drift into exactly that territory.
Yeah, I can do that, officer.
So I'm not talking to you at the moment. I'm just talking to this chap. Is that
You
okay?
was talking to me.
I'm not talking
Stop
to you.
lying.
My
Don't.
colleague is. Okay. We're having a private conversation here.
No, you're not having a private conversation in public.
Okay, would you mind following me around the corner?
Yes, what's his problem?
Yeah, I don't know. I'm just wondering if you've been in here, you don't like CCTV cameras.
No,
you don't
I'm
like-
interested in CCTV
Oh,
cameras.
right. I'm just wondering, are you waiting to film somebody or something?
No, because basically, them CCTV cameras are filming me, right, at the minute. So I want to understand where I am on the cameras.
I don't know.
At this point, the officer incorrectly suggests that members of the public must be informed when police are recording. In UK law, there is no requirement for police to verbally notify individuals that body-worn video is active, particularly in public spaces. Body-worn video policy is guidance, not statute, and failure to announce recording does not invalidate police actions. The danger here is subtle but serious. When officers misstate their own powers or obligations, they undermine legitimacy and escalate encounters unnecessarily. This exchange highlights a recurring issue in audit videos, policy being presented as law and law being applied selectively or incorrectly.
To be honest, I'm used to getting filmed. You're
No.
filming me. So,
No, I know, you can film me, miss. Turn it on if you want. I've no problem with that.
no, I'm just saying people get filmed, don't they?
Yeah, but I don't mind being
CCTV,
filmed.
well,
They're filming me, right? So I can film
You
them.
seem to be bothered about being filmed.
No, I'm
because
not
you're
bothered. I
filming
didn't
them
say bothered.
filming.
I didn't say bothered.
You said that you filmed me because they're filming you.
Yeah, but not bothered though. You
why
can
you
film me.
filming
Turn your camera on, I can
It
film.
was on as soon as I got out of the car.
Oh, was it? Oh, you didn't tell me.
I don't have to tell you. It's for
You
my
do?
protection as well.
No, you have to tell me though. Under your policy, you know you have to tell me, right? Do you not know that?
Okay.
Do you have to?
This is the turning point. The officer introduces the idea that filming may involve private bedrooms, an implied safeguarding concern, despite having no evidence to support it. In law, suspicion must be objective and grounded in observable facts, not hypothetical discomfort. Once it becomes clear that no private spaces are being filmed and that the activity remains lawful, the officer disengages. This matters because it demonstrates how easily vague concerns can be used to justify intrusion, and how quickly those concerns collapse when tested against facts. Proper policing requires articulation, not assumption, and here, assumption fails.
Go on then.
Okay. I think it's quite unusual to pull up at a car park,
Yeah.
see somebody outside a window
Yeah.
filming CCTV, well, filming the display to CCTV
Yeah.
cameras. I'm concerned you can see people in their bedrooms, and that's why you're doing what I'm doing.
That's not in their bedrooms.
However,
That's not in the bedrooms.
however,
Yeah, but it's not in the bedrooms. That's on the outside. No, you do.
Will you let me finish?
No, because you brought a bedroom into
Right,
it.
sir, I did, and well,
There's no bedrooms in that.
I'll explain to
I showed you what I was filming,
I'll
right?
happily explain to you why, if you let me speak.
Go ahead.
Okay. I found out you're not filming bedrooms.
Yeah.
Okay, and I've had a chat with this guy, and he's happy for you to do that.
Mate, if you went